Alright, so this is going to be the first official video for the new channel, Gen X Trucks. Or GXT. I'm going to show you my new purchase. I already have the C10, which I put on my V20 channel. Link down below if you're interested in motorcycles, Harley specifically. That'll be down below. But here is the new purchase for this channel. Right there. 1972 Ford F250 camper special. $390 C6. This truck, it's originally a Minnesota truck, you can see by the rust, but has been sitting in a barn since 1988. This is probably the original dealer tag right there. Show you the interior here. Bit of rust and shit here, nothing too bad. Some of it in here, like the fender aprons need to be fixed, probably replaced. Door cards are pretty stiff, not bad, like some Mustangs I've had that are bad. So my plan with this truck, I'm not going to do anything to it that I don't have to. I'm going to try to get the engine running. I'm going to put all new brakes on it. And the original, well, the guy that I bought it from, not the original owner's dead. The guy that I bought it from said it might have a weak C6, so we may have to fix that. But I'm going to try to keep this as cheap as possible. I want to drive this truck the way it is. I want this truck back on the road in its exact condition that it is, rust and all. The guy that owned it said that he thinks this 93,000 is original miles. It's not 193,000. This was not an AC truck, but it might be when I'm done, but not anytime soon, because you always got the 280 air. The dash is in great shape. This truck sat in a barn for what, 37 years, so it's in actually pretty good shape. Most trucks like this sit out in the field, rot away, and then we lost the truck. Dual fuel tanks. Got the switching valve here, as well as this switch here. One thing I may do is switch to like a volt gauge if I can find one, if people are doing those, just so I'd rather know the voltage. All right, I'm gonna get this thing in the shop and try to get these rear brakes freed up. They're locked up, so I might show you guys that, I might not. Thanks for watching the first official video for the new GXT Gen X Trucks. See you next time.